Hey guys, I got a new update for you, and today I want to talk about Envato Elements. So I just got accepted to Envato Elements. Recently I decided that I wish to apply to this new platform that Envato provides. It's a subscription based platform, and you can pay a monthly subscription and you can download plugins, themes, music, audio, photos, videos, and many more for free, only based on the subscription you pay. And I thought, okay, let's give this a try, and I applied for Envato Elements and I just got approved. So starting from today I will be pushing some of my plugins also to Envato Elements. At the beginning it will be only a testing phase, so I currently have only one plugin available on Envato Elements. This is the Elements dashboard for us authors, and the WP setup wizard is available for Envato Elements. So here is it. It is the link where you will be able to get WP setup wizard plugin I created for free, or if you are already a member on Envato Elements. If you're not a member, then you will be able to get this item for a subscription. Also, a good news is that I can provide you guys with a coupon which is linked in this video's description. The coupon will give you a huge discount for your Envato Elements subscription. It will be only $9 per month. So the subscription to Envato Elements will be reduced to $9 for the first month, and from there on there will be normal charges. Okay, so go ahead guys, check the links in this video description. I link there the coupon code which discounts your subscription to $9, the WP setup wizard which will be found on Envato Elements. Also please note that plugins that are downloaded from Envato Elements don't have support, so support is not included in the Envato Elements plugin. If you want to get support also for the plugin after you purchase it, then you should get the plugin from Code Canyon. I will link it also in this video's description. So Envato Market also offers support. Envato Elements does not offer support for code or stuff you download from there. Okay, so this is the big news. I will be pushing more plugins to Elements in the upcoming period. I will be making video updates when I have more plugins there available. And yeah, let me know in the comment section what plugin do you wish to see on Envato Elements that I created. Thank you for watching until the end. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.